Hello, today we will be discussing Voice AI and reviewing its free version. To begin with, the website interface of Voice AI is really appealing, but that is not our primary focus. To use Voice AI, you need to download this software. Upon opening the application, the user interface presents four main options: live mode, record mode, sound mode, text to speech mode. Live mode. In live mode, users are provided with various options. This mode is designed for streaming where you speak in your original voice but the listener hears the AI converted version. However, for quality output, the premium version is required. So here we can see credits and referral link. Now we would move to the record mode. In record mode, it is important to note that in the free version, user cannot upload their own audio files. However, we tested the feature using a recorded voice. One major drawback is that processing time is quite long, which can be frustrating. To keep this review efficient, we shortened the waiting time in our demonstration. Here is it. Hello, how are you guys? I hope you'll be doing fine.
Hello, how are you guys? I hope you'll be doing fine.
Here we compare the original voice with AI generated version. The result was average, but it did have certain uniqueness. Let's test a few more voice options. Uh, while a few voices are available for free, many are locked behind the premium version. Below it is one of the example is this. Among the available choices, we selected Popstar Extra Fast. As expected, the processing time remained long, but we successfully generated a converted version.
Hello, how are you guys? I hope you'll be doing fine.
Next, we tried a political voice option, which stood out as the only decent free voice in our experience. Again, the initialization and processing time were lengthy. However, once completed, the output bore a strong resemblance to Joe Biden's voice. Here you can see it's taking time. Now we are converting it, and after conversion,
Hello, how are you guys? I hope you'll be going
as
fine.
you can see, it is Joe Biden. So we download it, and you can have the downloaded file in your download section. Moving forward, the soundboard feature is available, but it is not particularly useful for beginners unless they upgrade to the premium version. So this is the sound avatar, and you can edit it, you can play with it, but that's not our concept. One of the most appealing feature of Voice AI is its text-to-speech mode. However, like other features, it requires a long initialization period before producing a result. We tested a simple sentence. Although output was acceptable, it was not exceptional. Here you can hear the same politician voice.
Hello, I am a YouTuber doing review of free version of AI models.
Now we are going to switch voice. We would try another free version, and it is ultra fast, the pop ultra fast. Here is the result. So it is taking time in initializing. Now it's again generating.
Hello, I'm a YouTuber doing review of free version of iModel.
So it's lacking. The result is not exceptional. So now we are going to use a name girl ultra fast option. However, we encountered an inconsistency.
Hello, I'm a YouTuber doing review of free version.
It's taking time. It took a lot of time.
Hello, I am a YouTuber doing review of free version of AI models.
The voice sounded more masculine than expected. This raises concern about the software's accuracy in voice transformation. So now we are using Voice AI Deonizer feature, which we tested. However, the output was unexpected and not entirely useful. You can hear it.
Wait.
It's so now we are again switching. We use another free version, that is Kratos Ultra Fast, which produces surprising result, although not entirely accurate. it did have a certain appeal, as it's taking,
Hello.
we are generating it.
Hello. I'm Lipa. YouTuber. I'm Lipa. Doing review free. Doing review free. Version.
It did have certain appeal. So that was the text to speech mode. I would love to take you to a visit to its settings. So this is the general settings, where you can see many options, but in free version they are quite irrelevant. You can see output, input, settings, and all these things. I think they are free. I think so. My final thoughts for its, despite its limit, despite its limitations, the free version of Voice AI provides an introduction to its capabilities. However, restricted access to key features, long processing times, and inconsistent voice outputs make it difficult to recommend the free version for practical use. The software is primarily known for offering various celebrity and character voices, but unfortunately, these are locked behind premium version, as you can see. If Voice AI aims to attract a wider audience, it should consider improving the quality and accessibility for its free tier features. Would you consider upgrading to the premium version based on this review? Let us know your thoughts. Thank you.